Rod Stewart is a British rock singer and songwriter. He was born at 507 Archway Road, Highgate, North London on 10 January 1945. He is the youngest of 5 children of Robert Joseph Stewart and Elsie Rebecca Gilbert. His father was Scottish and had been a master builder in late Edinburgh, while Elsie was English and had grown up in Upper Holloway in North London. Stewart came after an 8-year gap following his youngest sibling. He was born at home during World War II. The family was neither affluent nor poor. Stewart was spoiled as the youngest and has called his childhood fantastically happy. Stewart was the most talented footballer in the family and was a supporter of Arsenal FC at the time. Stewart left school at age 15 and worked briefly as a silk screen printer. Spurred on by his father, his ambition was to become a professional footballer. In 2008, Billboard magazine ranked him the 70th most successful artist on the Billboard Hot 100 all-time pop artist. Grammy and Brit Award recipient, he was voted at #33 in Q magazine's list of the top 100 greatest singers of all time and #59 on Rolling Stone 100 greatest singers of all time. In 1994, Stewart staged the largest free rock concert in history when he performed in front of 3.5 million people in Rio de Janeiro. Stewart is one of the best-selling music artists of all time, having sold over 250 million records worldwide. He was knighted in the 2016 birthday honors for services to music and charity. In October 1963, he joined the Dimensions as a harmonica player and part-time vocalist. In 1964, Stewart joined Long John Baldry and the All-Stars, and in August, Stewart signed a solo contract, releasing his first single, Good Morning Little Schoolgirl, in October. He maintained a solo career alongside a group career, releasing his debut solo album An Old Raincoat Won't Ever Let You Down in 1969. Stewart's early albums are a fusion of rock, folk music, soul music, and R&B. Stewart was estimated to have a fortune of $190 million in the Sunday Times Rich List of 2019, making him one of the 10 wealthiest people in the British music industry. Stewart is known for his liaisons with women and has 8 children by 5 mothers. In January 2020, Stewart and his 39-year-old son, Sean, were arrested and Stewart was charged with alleged assault following an incident at a Florida hotel. He was due to appear in court on 5 February. Before returning to the UK, Stewart played for his LA Exile team made up of mostly English expatriates, plus a few celebrities including Billy Duffy of The Cult, in a senior soccer league in Palos Verdes, California. Stewart recorded vocals with Joe Walsh on the Frankie Miller album Frankie Miller's Double Take, which was released on 30 September 2016. On 28 September 2018, Stewart released his 30th studio album Blood Red Roses on Republic Records. In February 2013, Stewart was nominated for a Canadian Juno Award in the International Album of the Year category for his album Merry Christmas Baby. On 17 October 2009, Stewart released the studio album Soul Book, which was composed of covers of soul and Motown songs. On 20 May 2009, Stewart performed Maggie May on the grand finale of American Idol Season 8.